In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Peacock PIN code. Step 1. Open the Peacock TV website. Launch a web browser and go to peacocktv.com. Log into your Peacock account. Step 2. Access your profile. Click on your profile avatar in the top right corner and select the profile you want to reset the PIN for. Step 3. Enter your current PIN or choose Reset. If prompted, enter your current PIN. If forgotten, click the reset link next to the profile PIN setting. Step 4. Confirm your account password. To proceed, enter your Peacock account password to verify your identity. Step 5. Set a new PIN. Create a new 4-digit PIN code and confirm it by entering it again. Save your changes. Step 6. You can now use the new PIN on Peacock TV. Next time you access your profile, use the newly created PIN code to unlock. Now I have some tips for you. Keep your PIN code confidential to restrict unauthorized profile access. You can set pins for different profiles under the Who's Watching section. If you face issues, you can always contact Peacock support for help resetting the PIN. And that's how you reset your PIN on Peacock. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.